Hi everyone, this is Matthew again. Today is 3rd of August 2019. Today we are going to be trading the volatility 25 index rise, and we're going to be using a stochastic relative strength index indicator under the momentum indicator. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more upcoming strategy, and make sure you share the channel among other traders as well. These are the rules for this strategy. We're going to be making 94.2% in each trade, either we win or lose. So here we're going to be these are the rules. This is the link to sign up for a free broker account. This is the URL. All this information will be pasted in the video description on YouTube. To sign up for a free trading account, just use this URL in the video description. So this is a link to the channel. To subscribe to the channel, this is a link to the channel, and this information too will be pasted in the video description on YouTube. So this is a link to our forum website to read written tutorials. You can sign up freely and check the binary options section. So this is what we are starting with today. We are going to be trading 10 times. So this is what we are starting with, 34564.56. So after the trade, we'll do the math and see what we've won or what we've lost. So here we are going to open the trade. Make sure you are using the web trader. So we're going to open the volatility 25 index. I'm going to push this right here. So we're going to open the chart as well. Volatility 25. So we'll be going for trade number 1. Okay. So I'm going to start the timer. Then here we're going to go to the indicator. We're going to set our indicator. You go to all, you go to momentum indicator. This is momentum indicator, and you go to Sochastic relative strength index. There's it right here. So you scroll down, click on OK. Then we're going to change this to tick, and we're going to move this very close. It's very important, so that we'll be able to see the line movements. There's a line movement, so we're going to move it very close. You can see it's close, so the line must be moving, and it must push up. You can see it's up. It must be up to this level, not down, and it must be parallel. You can see it's parallel and it's up. So if it's down, do not click on purchase. Make sure it goes up. This yellow line, make sure it goes up. Make sure it goes up and it's parallel before you click on purchase. Parallel means level. You can see it's down, it's a bit down. You have to wait for it to go up before we click on purchase. You can see it's down. So make sure it goes up before you click on purchase, and make sure it's parallel as well. So let's watch the movement of the yellow indicator. So we're going for our first trade. You can see it's up, but it's not parallel. It's faced up. It's parallel. We click on purchase. So that's the first trade. So we are going to set this to 2 ticks. Sorry, and we're going to set this to 100. That was 1 tick. We're going to set that to 100. So we're going to go for the second trade. Actually, we are paying 51.50. So the net profit is 48.50. That's 94.2%. So we'll go for trade number 2. So we have to wait for it to go up. To go this yellow line, we have to wait for it to go up and level up. Once it goes up and it's parallel, we click on purchase. You can see it's parallel, but it's down. It's up. If it's parallel in this line, we click on purchase. If it's parallel, we click on purchase. So we want the second trade. We are going for the third trade. You have to give it a few seconds again before we click on purchase. You can see it's up, it's parallel, but I want to wait a bit. It's parallel, so you have to wait. It's down. Once it's back up again and it's parallel, we click on purchase. You can see it's going down. You have to wait for it to go up. It's going down. It's up. It's parallel, we click on purchase. Okay, so that's the third trade. We are going for the fourth trade, so we have 6 more trades to go. Remember, we are trading 10 times, so it's still up. You have to wait for a few seconds before we click on purchase. Don't click on purchase when it's just moving parallel. You have to wait for it to go up, down, then turns parallel before we click on purchase. It's up again, it's up, it's up, it's down, it's parallel, it's up again, it's up, it's parallel. We click on purchase. Okay, so you can see we won the 5th trade. So we won the 4th trade, we are going for the 5th trade. So we have 5 more trades to go after this. You can go for 5 trades and stop there. You can continue if you want to. You may experience some loss as well, but at the end of the day you will still close with profit because we are making 94.2% on each trade. So you have to wait for it to go up. You can see it's up and it's parallel. We click on purchase. Sorry, I didn't wait closely there. I just click on purchase. So we lost that trade as the first loss. So we're going for trade number 6. It's up, it's up, it's down, it's up again, it's up, it's down. I have to wait. It's down, it's up again, it's parallel. We click on purchase. Okay, so we want the 6th trade. We are going for trade number 7. We have 3 more trades to go, so we have to wait for a few seconds again before we place the next trade. Don't be in a haste to place the next trade. You have to wait for it to go up. You go right up and turns parallel. You can see it's facing down, it's up, it's up. Once it's parallel, we just click on purchase. It's down a bit, it's up, it's up, it's up. It's not parallel yet. It's parallel. We click on purchase. Okay, so we want that. So we are going for the 8th trade. We have 2 more trades to go. Okay, we have to wait for a few seconds again before we place the next trade. It's down, so you have to wait. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more upcoming strategies. So get back, it's up, it's up, it's up, but it's not parallel, so you have to wait. It's parallel. You click on purchase. Okay, so we won that trade as well. We lost just 1 trade, so we are going for trade number 9. After this, we place the last trade, then we'll calculate what we made at the end of the trade. It's going up. We have to wait for a few seconds. Not being in haste to click on purchase. Let it go up and turns parallel before you click on purchase. It's going up. It's parallel, but it's not moving, so we have to wait again for it to go back up. It's down. It's parallel and it's down, so you have to wait. It's going up. It's down again. Remember, we're watching the yellow line. It's going up. It's up. Once it's parallel, we click on purchase. It's down. It's up a bit, it's down, it's down and it's parallel, so we'll wait for it to go up. It's up and it's parallel, we'll click on purchase. Okay, we want that trade as well, so we are going for the last trade. We're going for the last trade. We are already in profit. Even if we lose two or three or four trades, we will still be in profit because we are making 94.2%. so it's up, it's up, it's down a bit. Let's wait for it to go up. It's down, it's up and it's parallel with the purchase. So that's the last trade. Let's wait for the outcome. So we lost the last trade, so we lost two trades. Let's do the maths and let's see what we've made. So we start with 34564.56. so we have 34805.91 minus 34564.56. 34564.56. Okay. Let's do the calculation again. 34805.91 minus 34564.56. 34564.56. Okay, so we made $240.35 in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching. Bye.